remove brackets from this expression. Solution. 4y into bracket 6x minus 8, close bracket. Now, this 4y is positive, hence it is a positive multiplier. The 4y will be used to multiply the first term here inside the bracket. That will be 4y times 6x. Then, it will also multiply we have minus at the middle. Then multiply by what? 4y times 8. So what do we have? We now have 4y times 6x. 4 times 6 is 24. Y times x is yx or xy. So it means that we have here 4y times 6x as 24xy. Then minus 4y times 8. 8 times 4 is 32. So we have minus 32y. That is the answer to the question. Thank you.